Unto us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will rest upon his shoulders. He shall be called our Father and the Wonderful Counselor. He shall be called the Mighty God, Everlasting Prince of Peace. He's the owner of all our stories. The wise men came and they brought their gifts to the Holy Child. They came and they brought their gifts to the Holy Child. Jito yaso dunia, yaboga dan dauda. Kauna yaso dunia, yaboga dan dauda. Bigi yashigo dunia, yaboga dan dauda. Na chechetu yaso dunia, yaboga dan dauda. The wise men came and they brought their gifts. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh to the Holy Child. Oh, we are the wise ones and we bring our to gifts. The Holy Child. We are the wise ones and we bring our worship. We are the wise ones and we pour our incense. I am the wise one and I pour my worship to the mighty God of Father and Everlasting Prince of Peace. Yaso dunia, yaboga dan dauda. Oh na yaso dunia, yaboga dan dauda. Yanshi yashigo dunia, yaboga dan dauda. Bege yaso dunia, yaboga dan dauda. Yeah, kauna yashigo dunia, yaboga dan dauda. Hukunci yaso dunia, yaboga dan dauda. Gaskiya ya shigo dunia. We worship, we worship, we worship, we worship. Yes, I worship, I worship, I worship, I worship. Glory to the Son of David. Praises to the Son of David. Kauna yashigo dunia, bege aso dunia.